We are in Half Moon Cay,
Bahamas.
We cruised from Manhattan to the Bahamas for 9 days aboard the Carnival Venezia.
We're Rich and Robin,
And these are our midlife adventures.
living in and out of our midlife van.
After a day in Nassau, we boarded the ship for dinner and some evening entertainment. Appetizer size carbonara, Rich. And
Appetizer slash
dinner, beef salad. Banana cream pie, Rich. Our waiter got us up to dance, grabbed our phone, and gave it to a fellow cruiser. What do we got here, Rich? Is this Loch Ness Monster?
I think so. No eyeballs.
No eyeballs.
We're moving the fun outside.
Too tired to enjoy the 80s party on the Lido, we watched some of it on our TV. In the morning, we headed to the main dining room for breakfast.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think he was bringing us more shoes.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
When the food is really big, order half a sandwich. This is so much better. This is so much better than the water shuttles.
So much better than Dublin to do lifeboats.
Yes, the big old shuttle bus. Shuttle boat. Pretty easy shuttle, Rich. We were number 4 and it's not even 9 and we're here. Fort San Salvador, Rich. Here's the chapel if you want to get married on the island. I wish I could stay here forever. Ever. You think that's the only snorkeling?
That's the misting station, is the blue dots. I don't know what all the rest of this is.
Okay, but we just passed this and I just saw the basketball court, so we're somewhere in there. But you think that's the only place to snorkel?
I doubt it.
Captain Morgan's. Let's just go down here. How about that? We are in Half Moon Cay.
Which is a Carnival / Holland private island.
Holland owns it, which is part of the Carnival Corporation. So we're the only ship here today. Why didn't we get the 2-story cabana, Rich?
Because it's like $1,000.
It's like $1,000. That's why we didn't. And it didn't come with free drinks. Long walk, Rich. But less people and a little shade. We found a nice spot further down the beach that had lounge chairs under the trees. After relaxing for a while, we walked to the end of the beach so Rich could snorkel the point, and I found another lounge chair under a shady tree. When you're walking on the beach here at Half Moon Cay, watch out for the horse poo on the beach. barbecue lunchtime. Woohoo! It is now 11:45. A little busier than when we first got here, 9:15. For lunch, they had a barbecue buffet with hamburgers, hot dogs, salads, fruit, and some dessert.
Where are we going, Robin?
Captain Morgan on the rocks. The Island Bar. The overpriced cruise drinks are even smaller on shore, Rich.
Yes. You think they would have
$31 for these two tiny little drinks.
4-ounce drinks.
With a shot, maybe.
There's the sack race.
Oh. Oh, she's not getting anywhere. Okay, let's go relax.
What you doing, Robin?
Just floating, Rich.
Just chilling?
Floating, just chilling.
In this beautiful water?
Yeah.
A little chilly for you?
It is a little chilly. Feels good when the sun comes out. I believe you told me it was 79 in the water and the outside temperature is 81. I don't think the water and the outside air is that big of a difference as what I feel it is. That's a small difference, but I feel a big difference. in
Just
temperature.
telling you what I...
Let's see what your watch says now with the water temp is. Closer to the ferry, where the ferry dropped us off, the water shuttle, lots of people. But where we have sat and where we went and walked and sat and snorkeled, nobody really. Just a handful of people.
A lot less people.
I can't believe Rich is just relaxing and not actively doing some activity. Good job, Rich. Relaxing in his floaty. You don't see that every day. Lifeguard came in hot and heavy to help somebody out who was having a hard time getting out of the water on the kayak. They patrol up and down the beach here. Yeah, it's good of them, huh? They don't want to have no issues. Slow, slow. Kayaking and jet skiing, right? Number 4?
3. Going 5th, we're good.
Yep. Because the jet skiers will run you over. There's the stingrays in the enclosure, Rich.
See them?
I see the enclosure. Rich, because it said no swimming. No swimming. No swimming. You think you see a ray? Get yourself unstuck. Oh, hold that stick, I'll pull you out. I'll pull you out with your big stick. You made it. They're probably in there. shuttle. Another bar. Another bar and the lobster shack. Lobster shack. Back to the ship. Last call, Rich. This is where the snorkeling was over here, Rich. I don't think you would have seen anything.
No.
Currently, the island of Half Moon Cay is going under some renovations. They're adding a dock and adding other things for an enhanced experience. Thanks for watching. Join us on our next video as we make our final port of call at Freeport, Bahamas.